What's worse than your floor buckling and cupping? Not much, except maybe Brussels sprouts or anchovies. But before you even experience the huge headache these problems cause, we should talk about the preventative measures, which is why I'm here to make sure you know these 5 tips for how to prevent your hardwood from buckling or cupping. The second video in the series, Hardwood Floor Problems. Just these tips alone can save you a ton of money, so listen close. And while you're here, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for future videos. Number 1, acclimate the flooring. When the flooring is delivered, place it in the space where it will be installed, or at least a place with similar environments, and measure the moisture content to be certain it is within the environmental specifications for the area where it is to be installed. If it isn't, allow it to acclimate longer and continue measuring until you have hit that target. One thing to keep in mind is that especially with engineered flooring products, manufacturers may have different methods for acclimation, so make sure to consult the specific manufacturer you are installing. Number 2, cover the subfloor with a moisture retarder. If this is a nail down over a wood subfloor installation, lay down a moisture retarder over the subfloor before installing the wood flooring. Again, this can be an extremely crucial insulation piece, but always check with the manufacturer to determine feasibility on your specific project. Number 3, provide an extra moisture retarder. If the installation is over a crawl space, make sure there is a moisture retarder in the crawl space and install an extra one if the existing one is in poor condition. Also, make sure the crawl space is adequately ventilated to ensure continual air movement. Number 4, use the recommended fasteners. Use the recommended number, type, and spacing of fasteners when installing the planks to a wood subfloor. Inadequate fasteners will allow the floor to move too much. However, don't over-fasten or use fasteners that are too large, or you might damage the planks. Number 5, check the moisture condition of subfloors and wood flooring. Flooring installers must know the moisture content of the subfloor as well as the wood flooring. On the wood subfloor, test for moisture at several locations in the room, a minimum of 20 per 1,000 square feet, and average the results. On the wood flooring, you need to do 40 readings per 1,000 square feet. Depending on the width of the wood flooring being installed, the moisture content variance between the two can be no more than 2 to 4% once both are acclimated to the installation environment. Make sure to measure all exterior and plumbing walls. If you record abnormally high moisture content readings, do not proceed with the installation until the origin of the moisture is identified and all moisture-related problems are remedied. A wood moisture meter is essential for this job. Pinless moisture meters for wood can measure the moisture content below the wood surface without doing any damage to the wood itself. Wagner moisture meters uses pinless technology to non-invasively measure wood flooring moisture content, which can help accurately pinpoint possible problem areas and help with remediation. It's important to note, all types of flooring are susceptible to failure if moisture conditions are not properly monitored and maintained. When the subfloor is concrete, a moisture problem may begin long before the flooring is installed. If the slab has not been properly dried, moisture problems are almost guaranteed with wood flooring applications. Accurate moisture testing is critical for any concrete slab. The scientifically proven most accurate test for moisture in a concrete slab is the RH test using in situ probes. This test is the basis for ASTM F2170 standard. The Rapid RHL6 system is the fastest, easiest, and most accurate way to test concrete moisture in compliance with ASTM F2170. And there you have it. 5 easy tips on how to prevent hardwood floors from buckling and cupping. For more videos on hardwood floor problems, stay tuned. See you next time.